To change currency on Revolut under 18, you must first have a Revolut account and the Revolut app installed on your device. If you are under 18, you likely have a Revolut Junior account, which is designed for young people. Start by opening the Revolut app and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section, where you will see a list of your available accounts, including your primary account and any other currency accounts you may have. To change currency, select the account you want to exchange currency in, and then tap on the Exchange button. Here, you will see the current exchange rate and the amount of money you have available to exchange. Enter the amount of money you want to exchange and select the currency you want to exchange it into. Revolut will show you the exchange rate and the amount of money you will receive in the new currency. Review the exchange details carefully, including the exchange rate and any fees that may apply. If you are happy with the exchange, confirm the transaction. The exchanged money will then be added to your new currency account, and you can use it to make purchases or transfers in that currency. It is essential to keep in mind that exchange rates can fluctuate, and you should always review the current rate before making an exchange. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with exchanging currency, as these can vary depending on the currencies involved in your account type. By following these steps, you can easily change currency on Revolut under 18 and start managing your money across different currencies. Remember to always keep track of your accounts and transactions, and to review the exchange rates and fees before making any exchanges.